Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create an isolated chrome design. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial to see these steps in detail. When you're ready, let's get started. Apply a thin coat of a hint of pink and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of frosting and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using blackout and your liner brush, paint an imperfect oval around the nail, varying the thickness as you go so some areas are thicker and others thinner. You can also experiment with different shapes using this same method, such as wavy lines or French tips. Cure for 30 seconds. Wipe your entire nail using a pure acetone wipe. Dip the chrome powder application sponge into the silver chrome powder jar, only picking up a small amount. Firmly rub the chrome powder onto your design. For the smoothest result, first dust away any excess chrome powder with the dust brush, then flip to the clean side of your application sponge and buff the nail again to press down any loose particles and eliminate excess shimmer. To prevent chrome powder from contaminating your top coat, place a small amount from the bottle onto a nail art palette. With a clean replacement brush or nail art brush, apply 2 thin coats of top coat, capping the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe any remaining chrome powder off your skin using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. You can experiment with different chrome powders and designs by doing the same technique. Thanks for watching!